Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Friends, see you again in this channel. In this video, we will discuss about the damage to the laptop keyboard. Usually, when there are laptop users who come here with complaints on the keyboard, some case on the keyboard don't work, or there are buttons that press themselves without being touched, or other similar problems. We usually immediately assume that this laptop is rarely used, turned on. But this one is different. When we asked if his laptop was rarely used, he actually said that his laptop was often used. Well, in my head I said that the owner of this laptop was lying, because usually the damage to the keyboard is caused because it is rarely used. So I checked on the laptop and it turned out to be true. The laptop was often used, often turned on. Wow, then why is it broken too? My temporary conclusion is that this laptop is often turned on but still rarely used for typing using the keyboard. Well, finally I checked the keyboard. It turned out to be true. The problem was the keys that were rarely used. Here are detected to be the source of the problem is then F11 page up, then F9 key as well. Of course, these buttons are rarely used. For the keys, letter and number is no problem. So from this condition, we can conclude that the buttons on the laptop keyboard that are rarely used are at a higher risk of being damaged, even when the laptop keyboard is diligently used by the owner. Alhamdulillah, now the condition is good because we have fixed the buttons that were the source of the problem. Here is page up, F9 and 11 and F11 keys. Of course, with repair techniques, as we have often done in our previous videos. Okay, brother, thank you for watching. I hope this will useful. See you again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.